Hi guys, welcome to Byte Official, and in today's video I'm going to review this massive speaker that is a Bluetooth speaker by Pebble, and this is nothing but the Encore Pro, as you can see in this box. So by the way, I have used this speaker for around 3 months and I had purchased this from Cred for around 2000, but the price keeps fluctuating, so do check the description of the video for the Best Buy link from Amazon. So let me unbox this first. So once I remove this outer covering, and let me keep this over here. So here is the black box by Pebble with the logo on it. And now let me open this up from here. And let's check the contents. So you will get a USB type A to type C cable for charging. And then we'll get another cable that is the 3.5 mm jack for the audio connection via the wire. And after that, finally we have the speaker itself. So let me remove this box from here, and this is our speakers securely packed in foam. So I'm removing these foam covers as well. And once I remove this plastic packaging, here we have our speakers. So this is a huge speaker and this weighs around 1.1 kilogram. And let's come to the front. So front we have a metal grill and we have two speakers, or should I say two woofers on the two ends. And this is a 20-watt speaker. On the top we have three buttons. This is the button for increasing volume and decreasing the volume. Here we have the mode button for different modes, and this is the play and pause button. And by the way, here we have an LED strip that it goes around the the entire grill, and unfortunately this is not RGB, so we'll get only blue lighting over here. Now once I turn this speaker, you can see we have a USB port over here, so we can play music using a pen drive as well by changing the mode. Then we have the on and off switch. After that we have a micro SD card reader, so you can also play music using micro SD card. Then we have this USB-C port for charging only, okay, and then we have the aux port for connecting it through a wire. And apart from these, this also supports Bluetooth 5.0 for connections. And if I go to the base of it, or the bottom of the speaker, then here you can see the Pebble logo, some information, and two rubber pads for stand. So let me place this speaker like this and see, once I turn this on, it gives this sound, and here you can see these LED strip is glowing. And if I click on this mode over here, so you can see the intensity also we can change of this light, and we can also turn this off if required. So now let me show you how this sounds. So let me connect this to my laptop over here. So I am turning on Bluetooth, and let's see if this laptop finds this or not, because earlier I had connected this to my computer and I have never connected this to my laptop. So yes, here I can see Pebble Encore Pro. So let me click over here and see, you heard that sound, this has connected. And one more thing that is very interesting about this, that this speaker also has a mic inbuilt into it. Rather, I'd say it has a mic, but it is not very good, or should I say great. It's even worse than the smartphones, but yes, it has one. So now let me play something from YouTube. So here you can see the sound, and let me, okay, so here you can see the sound, and this is at very less volume. I am not raising the volume to max. It can get pretty loud, and it is at 20 watts. So here you can see I use this play pause button to pause this, and if I press it again, it will start again playing. I can increase or decrease the volume using this button, and let me pause this now. So that was pretty much about the speaker. And apart from this, there is a weird issue with the speaker, and before explaining this issue, let me tell you one thing, that I have not like replaced the speaker. I got this with this issue. I did not replace it or use or refund it. Okay, anyways, so I do not know that this issue is only with my unit or this is common with all Pebble units. And apart from that, this is my first Bluetooth speaker, so I also do not know that if this issue occurs in other brands as well. Okay, so now let me tell you the issue. So if I connect this via this aux cable, so let me connect it, and before that let me disable the Bluetooth. Okay, now Bluetooth is off, speakers are on, and here I have connected this from this cable. So here it is. Now you can see the music is playing fine, but then the problem starts when I connect the charging cable also simultaneously with the aux cable. So if I start charging this as well, so let me start charging now. So now you can hear this faint buzzing sound. Let me bring this close to the phone speaker so that you can hear. This is very faint, but it is present over there, the buzzing sound, when both of these cables are connected simultaneously. This is not there if I connect only the charging port or only the aux cable. Now also you can see the sound is not there, but this will come only when both the cables are connected, so you need to keep that in mind while purchasing this. At first I thought there was some issue with my laptop or with my PC because both were giving the same problem, or basically with the power supply. So guess what? I purchased this ferrite core bead from Amazon, and I thought if I wrap this around the cables that go into the speaker, or if I wrap this around the power supply cable of my laptop, then that issue might be fixed, but unfortunately this did not fix the issue. So I guess it has something to do with the speaker and its internal PCB. And for the reason why I did not return this was that I never required this aux cable anyways. I wanted a Bluetooth speaker and did not wanted these wires, so I keep this permanently connected with this charging cable to my PC, and whenever my PC turns on, the Bluetooth will connect once I turn on this device from here. So that was pretty much about it. And apart from that, a few things that I missed was the battery life. So this has a 5-hour battery life, which is decent, and then this also has FM, which will work only if you connect this aux cable to it and switch to the FM mode. But I don't want to display it over here because that's just useless for me, because here the signals are not that great and there is a lot of background noise when I try to use this in FM mode. And anyways, if you are purchasing this, then I hope you are not purchasing this for FM, because we have better options for FM over on the internet. And one more thing is that this speaker can also be paired with another same speaker, so that you can get a massive 40-watt output. So this is 120-watt speaker, and if you have another same speaker, then you can pair both of them together to get a 40-watt output. I haven't tried that yet because, as you can see, I have only one speaker with me. So if sometime in the future I plan to purchase another of this kind, and then I'll surely make a video on that how to connect this and how this sounds with two of them, and is there any latency or not. So finally we have come to the end of the video, and that was all from my side. Do let me know in the comments how you like this video, any issues you faced, and if you have any further questions regarding this product, then do let me know. And also, if you found this video useful, do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.